you all are safe at home. From last 3 months, our school is providing online classes to our all students. But for the better progress and to clear the concept of our half-yearly examination syllabus, we have set worksheets of different subjects for our all students. And these worksheets are set in such a beautiful manner that will attract the children and they will enjoy to do it. So in this video, I am going to explain you how to do the worksheet of English for LKG. Students, in the first page, we have our first topic, that is, you have to write 5 words with sound E. So students, tell me, what are the 5 words with sound E? B, E, D, bed. P, E, N, pen. N, E, T, net. W, E, B, web. L, E, G, leg. So, our next topic is words beginning with CH. So, students, tell me 5 words beginning with CH. Chin. C, H, I, N. Chin. C, H, I, P, S. Chips. C, H, E, double S. Chess. C, H, A, I, R. Chair. C, H, A, L, K. Chalk. So, our first page is completed. Now, in the next page, you have to write 5 words with sound I. So, students, tell me 5 words with sound I. K, I, D. Kid. B, I, G. Big. P, I, N. Pin. S, I, T. Sit. L, I, P. Lip. So, our I sound is completed. In the next topic, you have to write the name of colors. Students, tell me, what is the color of this circle? This is red. R, E, D. Red. And this circle is blue. B, L, U, E. Blue. And this circle is green. G, R, double E, N. Green. And this circle is pink. P, I, N, K. Pink. And this circle is orange. O, R, A, N, G, E. Orange. So, our next page is 5 vegetables name. So, students, tell me the name of 5 vegetables. Potato. P, O, T, A, T, O. Potato. The next one is onion. O, N, I, O, N. Onion. Next, peas. P, E, A, S. Peas. Next one is carrot. C, A, R, O, T. Carrot. And the last one is tomato. T, O, M, A, T, O. Tomato. So our vegetable name is also completed. Our next topic is wild animals name. So you have to write the name of 5 wild animals in this picture. So tell me the name of wild animals. Lion. 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 Next one is bear. 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 Next one is fox. 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 Next one is deer. 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 And the last one is tiger. 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 So we have completed this page. Now I am going to next page. On the next page, you have to write the name of 5 words. So tell me the name of 5 words. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. The next one is, students, tell me the next name of bird. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. And the last one is owl. O-W-L. Now you have to fill up the gaps to make a meaningful word. So students, look at the words very carefully. C-H-E-S-S. Chase. B-E-A-R. Bear. B-L-U-E. Blue. N-E-S-T. Nest. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. L-I-P. Lip. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. D-E-E-R. Deer. So students, we have completed this page also. Now in the next page, you have to make one word from the given letter. For this, we have drawn the picture of the word. So you have to identify the picture and write the word from it. So students, tell me what is this? This is iron. So I for iron. So I am going to write here iron. What will be the spelling of iron? I-R-O-N. Iron. What is this? Jug. J for jug. So write here jug. J-U-G. Jug. This is kite. K for kite. So write here kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. This is leaf. Students, what is this? Leaf. L for leaf. So you have to write here leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. What is this? Mango. So you have to write here M for mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. And what is this? Nest. So you have to write N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. And what is this? Owl. O for owl. So write here owl. O-W-L. Owl. And what is this? Pen. So P for pen. P-E-N. Pen. So this page is also completed. Now we have to arrange the letters, and for this you have to see the letters very carefully. So let's do it. C-A-H-I-R. It will be C-H-A-I-R. Chair. And G-E-E-N-R. It will become green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. N-T-E. What will be this? Net. N-E-T. Net. T-O-A-M-T-O. What will be this? Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. L-O-I-N. What will be this? Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. D-K-U-C. What will be this? Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. K-E-I-T. What will be this? Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. I-N-R-O. What will be this? Iron. I-R-O-N. Iron. So we have completed rearrange the letters. Students, in the next page you have to change the number, and for this you have to see the pictures very carefully. This is one mat and these are many mats. So you have to add as whenever there is more than one object. So this will be mats. M-A-T-S. Mats. This is one tree and these are many trees. So you have to write trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. This is one boy and these are many boys. So just add S with the boy. It will become boys. B-O-Y-S. Boys. This is one pen and these are many pens. So add S with the pen. It will be pens. This is one bag and these are many bags. So write here bags. B-A-G-S. Same here, student. This is one car and these are many cars. So just add S with the car. It will become C-A-R-S. Cars. Hope students you are able to change the number. Students, the next page is very interesting because you have to circle the correct picture according to the word. So first you have to read the words very carefully. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. So here is apple. J-U-G. Jug. This is jug. S-T-A-R. Star. This is star. M-A-T. Mat. L-E-A-F. Leaf. This is leaf. E-Y-E-I. This is eye. K-I-T-E. Kite. And this is kite. Students, hope you have enjoyed while doing this worksheet. The only motive though this worksheet is to encourage the students in their studies, and we hope they are enjoying to do it. But I request all the parents to collect this worksheet from the school office. Soon we will meet in next video with another worksheet. Till then, bye.